In this video, we are going to understand how to develop this website, okay, university placements portal website, okay. So first of all, we are going to understand how to create the web application and how to configure the Tomcat and how to add the servlets-api.jar like this, okay. So first of all, we are going to create the application university placements. So university placements web application I am going to create, okay. So what you do is open Eclipse, okay, open the Eclipse. How to install and how to install this particular Eclipse software already I have explained in the second or third video. You go through that, okay. So let us say that file, okay, new, and we say that dynamic web project. If you are not getting the dynamic web project from here, we better go to what, okay, others, and here what happens is you go to, okay, go to the web. So this is what web. So go to the web, expand the web folder, okay. Then here you will be finding what, dynamic web project. You select it and click on what, next. And here you give the project name. What the project name is? University placements, okay, university placements. Then what we need to do is just you click on what, finish, okay, just you click on what, finish, just that's it, finish. Now a dynamic web project is created. Here the web project is created. Next, what you need to do here it is you have to add servlet-api.jar. So right click on this particular project name, go to the build path, and next one is what, configure build path. So what we need to do is we have to add the library, servlets library we have to add, okay. In this class path, select the class path. First of all, select the libraries, okay, libraries tab here, and then come here, class path. In the class path, add external jars. Here what we do is where the Tomcat Apache server we have placed in the C drive. In the C drive, ours is what, Apache 10.1 I think so, okay, right, 10.1 or 10.0 I didn't remember, but 10.0 I think so. Let me check once again which Tomcat server that I am using, okay. So let me say that in the servers you can see here, yeah, 10.0 I am using. If you are see at 10.1, no problem, please you can go through that particular thing, okay. So right click on the project name, go to the build path, and go to configure build path. So as I am using 10.0, so I go here, okay, add external jars. So here in the C drive, here 10.0, okay, I am having different types of versions, okay, that is what, no problem, you will be having only one version, okay. In this 10.0 Tomcat, you go to what, libraries. In the libraries you can see that there will be one servlet-api.jar file will be there. So this file you have to select it and add. So this file we have added here, okay. So that now servlet libraries you can use in your project, apply and close. This is the first one, okay. And the second one is for database connection we have to add what, this is what, let me show you please here. So this is what we have created the application, number one. Number two is what we have created, what, servlet-api.jar to the build path. Then copy paste the MySQL connector, okay. This is used for database programming for MySQL database, okay. So this jar file, this particular jar file contains the libraries related to what, database programming in Java, okay, to connect to the MySQL database. So this file already I am having, please. So I am using the version like, let me open here. In the downloads already I am having this particular file. Let's say MySQL connector, there will be a MySQL connector, please. Where it is, MySQL connector, this is a MySQL connector, okay. The version is 5.1.47, 5.1 version, any version you can use it, no problem. So right click on this particular thing, and I select what, copy, okay, copy, and paste this particular thing. So here I'll get back here, and in this particular src folder, okay, here web apps, in the web.inf there will be a library folder. In this lib folder you have to paste the, okay, you have to paste the that particular connector. So this is these two things that we have to do, okay. So now your website is ready, okay. So this is what the thing. Now your website is running or not, how you check, please, right, let me show you. So what we do here it is, in web apps folder we create one index file, okay. We are going to create one index file. See, this is what the index file, JSP file I am going to use. So index.jsp I am going to write. This is the first file. So let me say that here I write here h1, okay, welcome to website. Now let's see whether this project is running successfully or not. How can we do that, please? So this is what, right click on the website, the application name, and go to run on server, and you see that here you select the Apache Tomcat and click on finish. Now the server is the server is started, please. The server is starting over here, okay, and started, it is opened the browser, and you can see, yeah, welcome to website. Okay, now I am going to create some files, please. I am going to create some files. Let me drag this one down here. All right, so let me see this. Okay, now what I do here, it is, now I am going to create some files. Let me show you what are the files that I am going to create. Okay, this is, you see, please, I have to create headers folder. First of all, I am going to use Bootstrap. Okay, Bootstrap 5 I am going to use to develop this particular website. So for this particular, first of all, I have to create what, index file. Let me create index file. Okay, index using Bootstrap. Okay, let me show you, please. Let me. So this we are going to do. Let me close some applications here. Okay, a lot of applications is opened here. XAMPP is required for us. Okay, ChatGPT. Now with the help of ChatGPT, we are going to do this particular thing, right? So I am going to say that okay, I am going to say about project my. So I am developing. Okay, I am developing. Let's say developing university. Okay, university placements portal. Okay, portal website in Java JSP. Okay, please give index page. Okay, index page using, okay, using bootstrap 5. Okay, bootstrap 5. So let me ask this particular thing so that it will give the index page. So with the help of ChatGPT, we'll develop the application faster. Okay, so now it is giving the, right, this is what it is giving. See, it's giving the complete code, right. Navigation bar it is also giving, please. Okay, so let us see what it is going to do. Let us understand here, please. Okay, right. So the index page it is giving. Let it give clearly. If you want, you can change. Okay, no problem. If you want, you can change this particular thing. Okay, so this is enough. Okay, I'll stop here. Let me say that. Otherwise, I go to the code. What I do is I copy paste this particular code. Okay, I'll get back to my Eclipse. In the index, I say Control A, Control V, and here what happens here it is. Let me show you, please. Yeah, here it is now. Okay, pasted. So therefore, save the application. Now the application is already running. Therefore, I go to the browser and I refresh it. I refresh this one. Okay, and you see that I got the home page. Okay, so about contact jobs. Okay, like this we got it. This is a placements portal, right? So this is what student login and company login is also there, and we also put what administrator login also. Got it? Right. This is the this is how can you develop. Okay. So if you want, you can change the website, please, based upon your requirements. See, this I am going to put in what here in the Chrome only. In the Chrome also you can type this particular URL and paste it, please. So in the Chrome it will show. Is okay, right? So home page we got it, about us, and what jobs and what contact is there. So what I would like to tell you here it is, I have completed what, let me show you, please. I have completed what, index.jsp. Now I want to write about.jsp. Okay, about.jsp. Let's say that about.jsp means this home I have completed. Now the placement, this about us means about this particular university placements information we are going to show here. So about page we are going to develop now. So again I ask the ChatGPT to give the information about. Okay, so please provide, please give about us page using, again you should say bootstrap 5 for my university. Okay, university, like Apex University, okay, Apex University, right? So this is what is going to give the page again. Let me take this one. So it is generating the page. Let me say that. So it is generating completely. Okay, let it generate, please. Okay. So we need not to write the complete code, but we have to understand how it is working. Okay, the workingness of this particular thing you have to understand, please. Okay, that depends upon your. Okay, let us say that I copy this code. Okay, copy this code, and I am going to say about us. Okay, about us. Now here I am going to create one more file in the here web apps folder. Select a new, and I say what JSP. So what is that is about us. Okay, about us.jsp file. About us.jsp file, finish, and here I am going to select completely paste over it. Okay, save. So in the index.jsp, if you see the navigation bar, this is a navigation bar. Navigation bar means this is a navigation bar means here you can see, please, where it is. Yeah, this particular bar is called as navigation bar. This complete bar what you are getting is navigation bar. Okay, so what I am going to do here, it is, see, I am going to make here, about us means I am going to write here about us.jsp file I am linking. Okay, so home page means home. See, if we, whenever you click on the home page, this particular link, what we do is home means I call index.jsp, same page I am going to call. Okay, so what happens it is, this is, now I am going to refresh this particular thing, please. The website I am going to refresh once again. Okay, because the server is already running here, please. The server is running here, you can see. Okay, so go here, right, in the Chrome only I run the application, please. Okay, so here I refresh it, and here about us means now here about us we got it. Okay, now if you want to add your university image, you can place the image. So this is what you got, the thing, right? But what is happening here, it is, let me explain about this particular thing is, okay, Apex University, right? So what is happening here, it is, this is Apex University. Actually this is what Apex University, which is present over here, because in the previous case we didn't use the university name, but I am going to use the university name here. Okay, where it is, yeah, this is what Apex University that I am going to copy, right? Control C, and I get here, and here I paste it, so that you will get the university name here. Okay, fine. Now what is happening here, it is, in the about us page and in the index page, see, the headers are common or not? These headers are what? Totally common. See, about us also, here is what common. See, these two things, these two lines. Okay, Control C, this is common. Okay, Control V. Okay, Control and okay, Control V, right, save it. So these lines are very similar. Okay, so what happens here, it is, two times we are writing here in this page, two times we are writing this particular header. So what I am going to do here, it is, I control and okay, I copy paste this particular thing, and here in the web apps I am going to create one header. See, I am going to create what? See, please, this is what JSP file I am taking, and what I do is okay, headers.jsp. Okay, headers.jsp file I am taking. So this is headers. In this headers, what I am going to do is I am going to paste it. Control S. So what is happening, please? Here it is containing. Okay, let me say that. Here it containing the headers. So this is what the headers. Now wherever you want to use these headers, okay, wherever you want to use headers, what we need to do, please, in the index.jsp, wherever you want these headers, what you do is you add this particular thing. Okay, so @page, okay, include, what is the include is equal to, what's the file name is, headers.jsp. This is the file I'm including. So what I mean to do here it is, let me run it. Okay, so home page, let us go to the home page, index.jsp, internal error is there. Okay, means at the rate page include headers.jsp. So what is happening? Include, not include, I think so. File, let me check once please. Okay, I might have forgotten. Okay, so let's say that include will ask the ChatGPT. Okay, I forgotten the syntax, sorry. Right, okay, uh, correct this. Okay, okay, include file is equal to, you have to write it. Okay, include file is equal, sorry, include file is equal to. Okay, no, it's going something wrong, I think so. Right, copy paste, copy paste, control V. Right, this is the correct, this is okay. JSP include, sorry, I meant to say. So this is what is happening here. It is the code present in headers.jsp, the code present in the headers.jsp. Now we are including in what? This code, we are including the header.jsp code here. Similarly, we also include this particular thing in about.jsp. So we need not write here. So this is what we are including. Okay, so we need not write twice, only once you write and include it. Here I refresh it, now we got the page. About us also we got the page, see. Okay, now I am going to add okay, next, this is one image, later on I will add. Now if you observe the two files once again if you observe the two files very carefully, what is happening please? This navigation bar, if you observe, okay, the navigation bar, see the navigation bar. Okay, so if you observe these two files, index.jsp, okay, index.jsp, see this navigation bar is common. So you observe here, this navigation bar, okay, here, and about us also, if you observe carefully, here the navigation bar, both are same. See, both are same code is there. Okay, so if you see in the website also, here if you see this is what home, okay, this is what about us. Both, if you see, both are same only. The navigation bar, this code, the navigation bar code is what? Absolutely same. There's no difference. Okay, so what we want to do is this also we want to cut it. Okay, control X, I have copied. Okay, control X, where it is, here it is. Okay, what I'm going to do is in the web app, okay, select new and I select what? JSP file. So what I'm going to do is, here it is what? Menu.jsp. Okay, the navigation bar is called as menu. Okay, so this is what we call as menu.jsp, and I just click on what? Finish. In this menu.jsp, this navigation bar I'm going to put here. So control A, control V, navigation bar I have placed and I save it. Okay, and this navigation bar I am going to put here. Now I am going to include here. Similar to this particular headers, please, I copy here, and what I do is I write here what? Menu.jsp code I am going to include. Similar to this, what I do please, this I also include in what? Yeah, index.jsp. See please, here also I delete this one and I paste here, so that the size of the code will be what? Reduced. That is what I would like to tell you. Okay, right, is that okay? Fine. So this is what happens. Refresh it now, the page, you refresh. Okay, now if once you refresh the page, what is happening please? Yeah, it's taking some time. Yeah, so this is home and this is what? About. Now it is working fine, there's no problem at all. Okay, right, about us. Okay, and this is what? Home page, right? Similarly, what happens is this footer is also common for all pages, right? Footer is also very common. So what I do is this footer also I will change. I will copy into what? Right. Okay, in each and every page I need not to write this particular thing. Okay, if I want to do any changes, I can do it. Control X. So I create one page like what? Let's say JSP file like what? Footer.jsp. In this I am going to paste the footer. Okay, so therefore here I am going to include this menu. Okay, this one I am copying, this one I am copying, and I copy paste here in the footer. Okay, control V. In this one, what I do is footer.jsp. Okay, right, this is what footer.jsp. I copy and save it. I go to the index page. Here also I paste it. Control S. Okay, and this particular bootstrap JS bundle, this script also, what I do is control X. Okay, okay, and I put in the headers, because in the headers we are writing all the links we are going to put. Okay, here we are going to put. Okay, and in the index we have deleted okay, this particular thing. In the about us page also we are going to delete the bootstrap. Okay, not required, delete it, save it. Fine. Now if you see the application very carefully, now I refresh it, everything is working fine for me. Home page, about us page, home page, about us page. Is it okay? Right? Fine. So therefore, right, in the menu also, in the menu, what we did, please? Okay, fine. Okay, headers also there. Headers, just with the title is, okay, title will change here, university placements. Better, university. Title of this one is university placements. Like this you should manage. Okay, you have to modify something. Right, this is what we have completed. Next page that we are going to understand is what? Contact page. What is that is? Contact page we are going to work with. Okay, contact. So again I am going to ask the ChatGPT, okay, please okay, give contact us, okay, contact us page using bootstrap, okay, 5. So I am asking the contact us page also, you give it, so that I put in my project. So it is giving the contact. Otherwise we have to write all this code. Okay, so we better use this particular AI tools to develop the applications very faster. Okay, so it is giving the code. Yes, so let it complete. Still it is generating. So okay, contact details, fine, good. Right, let me copy this code, please. Let me copy this code and put in. Okay, contact us. Okay, let us say that here web apps new, go to the JSP. So I'm going to say that contact us.jsp. Okay, contact us.jsp and click on finish. And here I'm going to put, okay, this one. But one thing you remember, please, what is that? We have to copy the headers. All these things we have to copy. Copy, right? Getting down battery. Okay, fine. So this I am copying and I go into the contact us. Okay, in the contact us, what I am going to do here, it is, yeah, this header I am going to first of all change. Control V. Right, same thing, the navigation, there is menu I am going to paste here. Control V. What's the menu is, please? The menu file name is what? Okay, menu.jsp. Fine. Then here I'll get back footer also I'm going to change this also, everything. Control and Control V. Here I'm going to say that footer, right? Footer.jsp. Completed. Okay, let us see what you are going to get. Okay, and these details, if you want, you can change, please. Okay, so let us understand here. Let us run the program, but before that what we need to do is we have to do the changes in the menu. Okay, in the menu, so home, when you click on the home, index.jsp. About us means about us. So here contact means, here the page name what I have given, please, contact us. See, my page name is contact us. Okay, this is a contact us. Right, save it. I have changed my application, and I go here. Right, go to my browser. In the browser you just refresh it, it takes some time, right, because the changes it should take place. Right, good. Now I click on the contact page. See, this is what the contact page that is created for me. Okay, right? So this is what home, about and contact page I have created. So when we go to the home page, there it is asking student login and company login. So this job menu I am going to make it what, admin login. Okay, admin login I am going to post here. So let us say that. Okay, so these jobs I am going to delete it. But what I would like to do here, it is I would like to add one drop down. Let me say that I would like to add a drop down here. I should get here logins. Let me say here I should get logins. A drop down I should get where admin login, student login, and what, company login. That I want to get. How can we get it? I will tell you another one. Let us say that I go to what, Google. Okay, right, Google. Here I am going to ask, okay, navigation bar. Okay, nav bar, nav bar. Okay, let us, it is getting slow, little bit takes time, please wait. So nav bar, okay, bootstrap 5. Okay, now bootstrap 5 I am going to give. So here better go to here double three schools. I go to the double three schools, please. Okay, double three schools I am going here because the code will be very simple. Yeah, I go down here. Okay, I go down. See what kind of drop down I would like to have here. It is, you can see here one drop down. Let me show you. Yeah, let me change. So any navigation bar that you can use here. This code project end. Okay, at the end I am going to paste it. Okay, and this particular thing, let me align here, please. Okay, let me align here the code. Let me minimize this one. Let me minimize this one. Right. Yeah. Drop down means here I am going to say that logins. Okay, logins. What login? First one is what? Let me say that admin login. Okay. Second one is what? Let me say company login. Okay. So therefore I say company. Then the third one that I am going to create here, it is what? Student. Right? This is the three things that I am going to make it, right? So now we are going to see the execution. Here I get back here and I refresh the web page. Okay, this bootstrap page I am going to stop it because it is consuming my resources. Yes, see, home, about, contact, and login. See, this is what the logins I got it, right? So therefore home, about us, contact, and what, here it is what, logins, login company. Got it? Right, see here you can go through here, so that you will be getting all these things. Fine. Okay, now what I would like to do here, it is I would like to tell you one more thing, please. About us. Okay, how to put an image over here. Okay, university image I would like to put here. So how can I place an university image? Okay, let's say Google, I go through Google and I download some images. So university images. Okay, images HD, I say HD, good images that I am going to get it. Okay, university. Otherwise I say my project name, university placements images. Okay, this is, or whichever the image that you better feel. So those images you can put over here, please. Okay, images, you go to the images, please. Yeah, so like this university placements, uh, any image. Okay, I didn't like any images, this one. Okay, this one we save the image as this image that I am going to save it, save image as. Okay, otherwise university placements, not placements, I say university. Let's say university images only I download, please. Better, that will be good. So whichever you feel, you can go through that particular thing, please. Okay, any university thing that you can place here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this image. Let's say that right click and save image as. I'm going to save the images in my downloads. Let us say that. So it is taking some time because right. So here what I'm going to say is I'm going to save it as what? University, right? University city. Okay, university downloads. In the downloads I am saving this one. Save. Now the image is what? Saved. Yeah, it is now, it is completed saving. Okay, you can see the page is saved. Now what I'm going to do here, it is, let me close this one. Okay, no problem. I go here. So what I do is I have to create one images folder, right? So in the web apps only, what I do is I create one folder, new, and what folder? That folder is images. Okay, images. All images I'm going to put in this folder. Got it? So what I do here, it is I go to okay. So I have to open this PC. Now let me say that I go to this PC now. If we change the recording mode, the recording will be stopped. Are you sure you want to continue?